Welcome back to our channel New Roots Hair Clinic Raipur. Myself Dr. Sharanya. So today let us discuss about what are the techniques available in hair transplantation and which technique is best in hair transplantation. So let us know firstly about FUT technique, which is known as follicular unit transplantation. In this technique we generally remove strip of skin from patient's scalp and we extract grafts and we implant these grafts in recipient area. So after doing this, we notice linear scar and also healing process is delayed in this technique. So now let us know about FUE technique. This is known as follicular unit extraction. In these grafts are extracted by using punching device. After extracting grafts, these grafts are implanted in recipient area. So in this technique we notice high density results and also healing process is faster and smoother. There is no linear scar. So now let us know about basic technique in FUE, that is 18 gauge needle is used for implantation. After extracting the graft, these grafts are implanted in recipient area. In this technique we generally notice compromised results and also healing process is delayed in basic FUE technique. So now let us discuss about Sapphire technique in hair transplantation. This is recent advancement in hair transplantation. This is also one of the variation in FUE technique. We generally use sapphire blade in this technique instead of using steel blades that are used in other techniques. So sapphire blade gives you fine, precise incisions for recipient area. After extracting grafts, we implant these grafts into these fine incisions, and so by doing this we get fine high density results and also healing process is faster and smoother compared to other techniques. So next technique is about DHI, which is known as direct hair implantation technique. It is mostly done by using special tool known as choy pen implanter. So after extraction of graft, these grafts are collected into this pen and we directly implant the grafts by single process. So in this technique we generally notice faster healing and is also compatible only for 3000 to 4000 grafts patients. So next technique is about biosapphire, which is recent advanced technique in hair transplantation and is also best technique in hair transplantation. So in this technique we use sapphire blade for precise incisions. After this we extract the grafts and we store grafts in solution called growth factor solution, which is collected from patient's own blood. So after storing these grafts in this solution, it gives high life to the grafts and also increases the diameter of follicles. So these grafts are implanted into the patient's recipient area. So by doing this we can get natural results and optimal results and also healing processes earlier compared to other techniques. So I hope all this information about techniques in hair transplantation give you idea about them. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on next video.